my gosh. Why me? Why me? Alright guys, why me though? Like, it seriously says this account shot has been set to bubble chat for 8 hours due to violation. Like, what? That makes absolutely no sense at all. Like, it said like 24 hours, like last night, but I can't wait 8 more hours. It'll be like why? But anyways, guys, so like I can't even talk. I can't see what anybody else is saying. Like I can't. I cab. Okay, yes, I'm gonna say I cab, and like it won't let me because, and I can't see anybody else. I bet you, like everybody's saying something like fashion show my dad, and like these people dancing, probably trying to say something, but I can't read it. So what I have to do is I have to search up a new tab. If you guys can't see new tab right there, then I don't know what to say. But I would technically have to go onto a different account to see what everybody is saying because I can't see what anybody else is saying. Sorry for noises in the background. But anyways, guys, so I just wanted to say I don't know why it says that though. Like I was very confused when I logged on this morning. Sorry for the noise of the like when I logged on this morning, I was very confused when it said that. I was like, oh my gosh, why me? Why? Why? When they ask you how you are, but you say you're fine when you're not really fine. Like, oh my gosh. Like I can't even. I was very confused, but again, you guys, if you did not check out my other video, here, let me just pull this up a little bit. Anyways, guys, so I'm just going to show you what the other video was technically about, and I'll be back to you guys in like 5.2 seconds. Hey guys, so this is my new YouTube channel, and I hope you guys enjoy that little awesome little background and stuff like that. So this is technically my first video I did, which was like 22 hours ago, 12 views, and then this one, you guys, I was like, OMG, I'm freaking out, you have to watch and stuff like that. I was just trying to scare you guys to see if you would watch it, but anyways, yeah, so technically, oh my gosh, it has 5 views just this morning, even though I posted last night. Anyways, and then of course the only person who commented is Kit Kat. Like, I wish other people commented to me. Like, no fair. So, anyways, yeah, that's what 2020. Right, there we go. Anyways, replied. But yeah, so you guys, like, I was actually on the Epic Extends list. If you guys did not see that yourself, make sure to go and like check that out. I was like super excited when I saw it. But anyways, so I'm really happy. I don't even know how you get like put on the Epic Dens list. Like I don't know, like does AJHQ have to go to your den and like look at it? But anyways, guys, so technically that's all I wanted to say for today's video. And anyways, it'd be super cool if you guys can maybe give me some items because I did get scammed for every single item and then like almost every single item. And the only actual spike I have is the gray long spiked color, and it's not even really worth that much, I've been told, but I still love it. And I got scammed for every single spike, and then I traded my last spike, like traded like my 3 last. Okay, never mind. I traded my 3 last spikes for this spike because at that point I didn't really care what I traded. But anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and that would be like awesome and stuff like that. But if we can get to okay, I was just looking at Baby Shark, yeah. Alright, so like technically you guys, if we can get to like let's see here, so we have two subscribers right now. If we can get to 5 subscribers by the end of the day, I will do a giveaway. I don't even know what, but you guys, it does have 5 views. If you guys can see that, like 5 views. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And okay, I can't even say bye beyond. I can't like okay. But again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and goodbye.